guys, and welcome to Red Lipstick. So today I wanted to share my review with you of the Halo Beauty Kiwi Seed Booster supplements. So if you guys are not familiar with this brand, this is Halo Beauty, which is from Tati Westbrook, who is a YouTuber. She came out with this line of supplements. She has two different supplements, the hair, skin, and nails one, which are the pink capsules, and then she has this one, the Kiwi Seed Booster, which is meant specifically just for the skin. So I chose just to do the skin one because at the time I was having a lot of trouble with my skin looking very dull, just not pretty looking, like it wasn't looking plump. I was looking pretty sullen. I was breaking out quite a bit. So I just wanted to try the skin one first. And the skin one is less expensive than the hair, skin, and nails one. I think maybe by like 10 bucks. So just letting you know, but it only treats the skin. It will not treat your hair and nails and stuff like that. So I have not tried the hair, skin, and nails one yet. I am getting that one when I'm finished with the Kiwi booster at the end of the month. So I will review that one when I am on it for a long time like this one. So I am on my third month of Kiwi Seed Booster, about 3.5 months or so. So I thought that this was enough time to be able to finally give my review because I've been on for so long. So if you had asked me about a month and a half ago how I felt about this product, I would have told you I hated it. I thought about a month and a half ago I was having a lot of trouble with breakouts. Ever since I started on the Kiwi booster pill, I started breaking out really badly. So I knew it was the Kiwi Seed Booster because it was in areas that I've never broken out before. So I was breaking out on my cheeks, which never happens to me. And I was breaking out around the temples. All along my upper lip, I would get like massive painful breakouts. I do always get breakouts on my chin, and those were there too, but they were like underneath, kind of on like the neck area, which I've never gotten in my life. So I knew that it was the Kiwi Seed Booster giving me the acne because I didn't change anything else. No diet changes, no exercise changes, nothing like that. Nothing else was changed in my routine. So I knew it had to be this. But even though I was breaking out, I decided to give it a little bit longer because I thought maybe my face was going through like a purge phase. They say that oftentimes when you're on a new product for acne, your face purges itself. It breaks out a lot and then it clears up. And that is actually what happened to me. So I went through that purge phase, and then after about 2 months of being on the product, my skin was clear. So I have a much different opinion now than I did before. So I actually am really enjoying the Kiwi Seed Booster. It's something that I will recommend and do recommend and will continue to take because I've noticed lots of differences since taking the Kiwi Seed Booster. Other than now the clear skin, I'm now having other things that are noticeable. So one of those things is my under eyes. So they look a lot less sunken in than they used to. You can see that I have very like deep under eye circles, but you can see for some reason on this side, they're not as bad. It's getting so much better on the left side of my face. The right is better than it used to be, but it is still pretty sunken in. And that's just because of my face shape. I have a different shaped face on both sides of my face. I don't have a very symmetrical face. So it's more noticeable on this side, but I am noticing that they're a lot less sullen. Some other changes I've noticed is the brighter skin. As you guys can see, I do have highlight on, but my face overall is so much less dull. I had a really dull complexion before. And one of the things that, some of the things that Kiwi is supposed to help is reduce the signs of aging. It's supposed to make your face less dull looking, make it look more youthful and bright, help fine lines and wrinkles, and I think those were everything. Let me just read the back real quick and see if it says anything. Minimizes fine lines and wrinkles, supports collagen and keratin production, and supports clear and radiant complexion. So I have noticed all of those changes. All of those claims, I've noticed the changes. Now I'm also in my 30s, so I've started to notice a few wrinkles starting, especially like the crow's feet area. And I have noticed also that the crow's feet that I have, like on my eyes here, are not as noticeable. So when I smile and stuff, I don't see them as much as I used to. So I do think that it's really helping reduce the signs of aging, really, really brightening the skin, like big time. I notice it hugely. even after I just wash my face and I don't have any moisturizer on or anything on my face, no highlight, it does look a lot brighter to me and less sullen, and kind of like, I usually have kind of like a gray, dusky type of looking skin, but lately it just hasn't been looking like that. So I'm very excited about those changes, and by far my favorite change so far is the under eyes, because those really, they bug me. Like, I don't like having such sunken under eyes, and I have noticed a big change with that. So definitely I recommend this product big time. If you get through the first month and a half or so of it, first 2 months, I am pretty sure you're going to have the same changes that I did if you go through the purge phase at all. Not everyone will, but you just have to get through those first few months of the purge phase to be able to see the actual results of the pill. I've seen a lot of reviews where people have only been on the supplement for about a month. That's not a long enough time for you to be able to see real results like this. That's why I waited for 3 months to do my review, just because it gave me more time to be able to see the actual benefits of it. So I definitely recommend this. The price point is a little bit high. I believe it is $29 a bottle for the Kiwi booster and $39 a bottle for the hair, skin, and nails. That is very pricey. It just kind of is, but I feel like it's worth the price just because of what it does for me. But that's a decision that you guys would have to make on your own, whether or not you think that that's something that's worth it to you. I wanted to find something to help with my under eyes and things like that, so I don't go out and get things like Botox injections or collagen injections and things like that, because that's not something I'm interested in. I would rather take a supplement to help me, and yeah, I get in the long run that it might be more expensive, but I'd rather do that than get injections and stuff. So it's kind of personal preference of what you prefer and what you don't prefer and things like that. But I do recommend these pills. I do think they work, and I'm really happy with the results. So I hope that this was helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.